Ripple lawyers say SEC is delivering false evidence in the XRP lawsuit. The ongoing SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit has shown no signs of reaching a conclusion. After the recent hearing, lawyers for Ripple say that recent evidence cited against Ripple by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, is wholly irrelevant and misleading. Also, the response of SEC on Ripple Sure Reply is also pathetic. But what does it mean? And where is this leading the SEC? Let's find out. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, the channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know about the pathetic response of SEC to the lawsuit, how the SEC is delivering the false evidence in the lawsuit. You will also know about the positive impact on the price of XRP after the lawsuit, and finally, you will know about the price predictions after the recent victories in the lawsuit. So, let's start our video. SEC pathetic response to Ripple's Sure Reply. The ongoing SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit has shown no signs of reaching a conclusion. Just a couple of days back, Ripple had filed a Sure Reply, which is the additional reply against the SEC's reply in support of its motion to strike Ripple's fourth affirmative defense. The blockchain firm's response revolved around Cornerstone researchers' May report. Ripple, in their Sure Reply, had contended that the SEC's previous actions in the digital asset space were insufficient to provide Ripple fair notice that its unregistered XRP sales could be illegal. They further claimed that the due process had not been satisfied. In its recent reply letter, SEC outrightly stated that Ripple's arguments were based on incorrect characterization for the fair notice defense. They went on to assert and said that Ripple's argument boils down to this: because none of the SEC's prior digital asset cases involved the exact same identical facts as this case, Ripple lacks sufficient fair notice, such that it cannot be liable for violating Section 5's strict liability provisions. The regulatory agency went on to claim that the abundance of case law interpreting and applying Howey and other additional guidance issued by it provided the blockchain firm all the notice that was constitutionally required. They further stated that here, Howey and its progenies, flexible rather than static principle, would be nullified by ruling that fair notice defense can defeat any claim involving an investment product that is not identical to one previously deemed a security. People from the community were swift to react to this update. Popular defense attorney James K. Fillon, for instance, tweeted, "It's a pathetic response." It is essential to note that the SEC has also asked the court to grant them additional time to develop its discovery factual record. Ripple in turn claimed that if the additional time sought by the SEC was granted, it would present an existential threat to its business in the US. SEC delivering false evidence in the lawsuit. The SEC has cited over 70 other related lawsuits in its effort to claim that Ripple had been put on notice regarding their issuance of XRP and therefore should have known that their token was illegal. However, Ripple's lawyers argued that this claim is not just disputed, but it's highly misleading. According to the attorneys, half the cases that the SEC has referenced in the report by Cornerstone Research involve initial coin offerings, or ICOs, which Ripple didn't do, and the other half don't pertain to the issuance of digital assets like XRP. 37 of the 75 cases cited in the Cornerstone report, approximately 50% of the total, did not involve the sale of any digital asset at all. Many of those cases involved the sale of unregistered shares in companies that, in turn, had some connection to the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple obviously could not have taken notice that the SEC would view sales of XRP as a security offering from cases involving the sales of unregistered stocks, a traditional violation of Section 5. Other than its case against Ripple, all 37 of the remaining cases that the SEC has brought involving digital assets were in the context of an ICO. The SEC does not allege that Ripple engaged in any ICO. Ripple demonstrated in its opposition brief that there was not fair notice that the Securities Act's registration requirements would apply to sales of a digital asset outside the ICO context. The lawyers also note that the SEC had previously referred to Bitcoin and Ethereum as currencies. While the SEC has warned the markets about ICOs, it gave express guidance to the market that the two other well-established cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ether, were not securities. Lawsuit to have positive outcome for XRP price. As first reported by Daily Hodl, in a new video, cryptocurrency legal expert and XRP supporter Jeremy Hogan has revealed he believes that Ripple's legal battle with the SEC could have a positive outcome for the price of XRP. In the video, Hogan revealed a settlement agreement would likely see Ripple pay a penalty to the regulator and would likely not include discouragement of profits to purchasers because of the impossibility of figuring out how to disperse the funds. A settlement agreement would also contain terms limiting Ripple's sales of XRP released from escrow. The agreement would effectively limit Ripple's XRP sales to private companies and clients, as well drastically reduce the supply of XRP tokens on the market. He said this would, in effect, limit or slow the flow of XRP into the marketplace. Sales to Section D or corporate purchasers cannot then be put in public exchanges for 6 months, maybe up to a year. A settlement containing this term would essentially bottleneck the flow of XRP into the market for years to come. The legal expert continued, saying that Ripple could become the first cryptocurrency to be 100% in the clear from the SEC if it were to reach a settlement with the regulator. As reported, the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple and 2 of its executives alleged they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. It negatively impacted the price of XRP as after the lawsuit was announced, most cryptocurrency exchanges started delisting the token to avoid any repercussions affecting its liquidity. Some exchanges, however, sided with Ripple on the lawsuit, arguing that the SEC's move hurt XRP investors. Crypto exchange Uphold pointed out that the SEC's goal is to protect customers and believes it's hard to see how a judgment rendering XRP essentially worthless and inflicting billions of dollars of losses on retail investors would square with that goal. Ripple itself has argued the lawsuit already affected countless innocent XRP retail holders with no connection to Ripple. It added it muddied the waters for exchanges, market makers, and traders. The firm's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has said the fintech firm is highly likely to go public after it settles its lawsuit with the regulator. XRP price predictions after the current victory. Ripple XRP price predictions are hugely divergent from one another as outlets begin to slowly ramp up their predictions ahead of the settlement. The lawsuit pitting Ripple against one of the United States' largest regulatory bodies is a David vs. Goliath matchup, and it's shaping up to have a similar outcome. According to the Investor Place, the lawsuit looks like it could be headed toward a lackluster conclusion, precisely why Ripple is doing so well recently. Perhaps the biggest thing to come out of this lawsuit is that it could chart a new legal path for Ripple and other altcoins. If the court proceedings are any indicator, it looks like Ripple will have a favorable outcome. However, there is a chance that things can go awry as well. For now, there is cautious optimism regarding Ripple's odds. XRP is at a price that is extremely low compared to the other big cryptocurrencies and its recent highs. It has got to do mainly with 2 factors. One is the issue we have already discussed, that is the SEC lawsuit. The other is the state of the general crypto world, which is facing increased regulation and scrutiny. For example, China has prevented financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions. However, regarding the regulatory activity, the utility of cryptocurrency is such that you cannot brush it aside. Ripple settling its lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, could lead to an XRP supply shock, which presumably would lead to a price surge as demand would remain the same, while supply plunged. Prime XBT is one of the first and only outlets looking past the lawsuit. They are foreseeing a huge price gain if Ripple comes out on top of the legal battle. The site says XRP prices could fly as high as $20. Others are a little slower to predict hypergrowth for XRP just yet. Wallet Investor, for one, predicts a price of just $1.24 by May of 2022. Digital Coin Price is forecasting a $1.55 valuation by the end of this year. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 86 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3 billion USD. XRP is up 0.74% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $40 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think will be the price after the lawsuit? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.